But today I had a wonderful experience with my captain there. My captain is here, as you can see. Captain, how are you?
Good evening.
Good. Yeah, you know, I used to be scared to get in a job. But actually I didn't know that it's such a wonderful experience. Yeah, it is. So someone out there is scared right now. Not that they don't have money. No. They think it's much expensive. They think that it's scary to be in the... What do you want to tell them? Because I understand that we are flying each and every day.
Yes, these machines are very, very safe. Once again, it's the whole point about money is actually that's what makes these things so expensive, is making sure that they are safe.
Yes.
There's rigorous testing that they got to go through, and at the end of the day, that's what gives you a system or a machine that's been tested to the limit.
Yeah.
And makes it safe to fly.
Yeah. So there's somebody who is watching us right now. Someone watching us who would want to come and have such a wonderful experience. What do you want to say to them?
I think fear is one of the biggest things in life that hold you back.
Okay.
I think if you can overcome the fear, you can live your life.
So you just need to overcome your fear so that you can live your life, so that you can even come and ride. We're riding on the force. Just right now we're riding on the force with the chopper. So I encourage you guys to come so that you can be part and parcel of this wonderful experience here in Mosewa Tonya, in Victoria Falls, and you know, it's something. The experience will always be known by the one who have experienced it, not with the one who have never experienced it. So here we just want to show you this chopper here. Yeah, thank you very much, Captain. Thank you very much. So here we've got a 3-seater. So what you need to do, if you've got your wife, and if you've got your wife, you can actually come, and you can, thank you very much. So come close. Yeah, come close. So we are trying to quit us one says Onato Zesa ziripo is and it private dog man. Not to life and it Calif, I was our and you purpose no drive was say Tirasho Martinus one and it. So this is our chopper. It's actually 3-seater. We've got a 3-seater. We've got another one there also, which I want to show you. So you can come. Mr. Joe, come close. This one man. Actually, we want to thank Chikopo for giving us this wonderful experience, for sponsoring this wonderful experience. So, Mr. Joe, tukona pane imwe chopa iyo irapo. Mungada kuti tsanangurira kuti inokwana vanhu vangani ende titsanangurira.
All right, okay. Yeah. It's a Bell Long Ranger.
Okay.
We put a 6-seater. 6, but normally we put 5.
Okay.
So that those ones is 6. Okay. That one is a 5. 1 in front and then 4 at the back.
Okay.
So 1 will be the co-pilot. Sitting next to the pilot.
Oh, co-pilot.
Co-pilot.
Someone co-pilot.
So ndandri co-pilot.
Mamuri co-pilot.
You are co-pilot and because of good I'm a pilot. Those are that you know is an engineer.
Then Mashure Kuno. No one's 4.
All right.
Yeah, but it takes 5.
Okay.
One sitting in the middle, but we normally put 4 at the back so that everyone have a fair view of the force.
Okay.
Yes. So my family is I'm flying around 4, 5. I am a couple.
All right. Okay. So vamwana vanobvavatya kuti indege hatisitaura kuti indege yamuritaura kuti zvinoda passport here kana kuti
kana passport chero sina chitupa unouya
uzopira
otoenda kuZambia usina kudzindirwa passport yako saka hapana chinombotyisa ende zvakachipa zvisachizivi nhongodzo dzinodhura hakuna unouya totaurirana
and then izotofamba.
Kune ma-group discounts, kune chichichi, saka hakuna chinombodhura. It's affordable.
Right, kana uchida kuuya kuzovawo neexperience yatakava nayo iyo, aiwa wakasununguka kuvabata panhamba dziri pascreen wokuudza kuti zvinofambiswa sei. Aiwa, usatyira kure muzukuru wasekuru Saint.